Ano?
Awesome. Addicting. Outstanding. Art. Picture. Has imagination and creativity. Creative. Artistic. Creative.
Great.
Immersive. Inspiring. Artistic. Fabulous. Passionate.
Amazing.
Fun.
Reliable. Amazing.
Active. Great.
Amazing. Outstanding.
One. Outstanding. Love you.
Amazing.
Dynamic.
Amazing.
Fantastic.
Excelente.
Historic recording of events.
Creative.
It's been a while. Wow, FA. Tandang-tanda ko pa. Saksi ang lugar na to sa mga ngarag days naming mga officers. Grabe, ang saya. Kung isipin ko, akala ko walang katapusan. Pero pag natapos na ang isang activity, sarap ng feeling. Ano kaya ang mga naiwang experience dito ng mga ibang officers? MVH Lanay, ang suki ng mga exhibit ng Photographers Club. Itong bakal na to, malaki ang parte nito. Sa lugar na to, lahat ng orgs, halo-halo. Simula ng membership campaign, alala ko pa mga linya para makakuha ng members. Ate, kuya, saan na kayo ng CU Photographers Club? Sabay tanong ng estudyante. Kuya, pag ba sumali kami, kailangan ng DSLR? Ang walang humpay na tanong. Ano kaya yung mga ginawang pakulo ng ibang officers? Sabay doon, sa may tinatawag na Titanic Stairs, ang sikat na papicture ng mga estudyante. Pang class picture, pang profile picture sa FB, pang wala lang picture. Basta doon madalas ang venue for picture taking. Ganda kasi. May picture experience kaya ang iba kong ka-org dito. Lastly, ang statwa ng ating founder, Librada Avelino. Sikat ang statue ni Librada para sa mga photo contest. Madami ding mga estudyante ang mahilig mag-photoshoot dito. Nasubukan na kaya nila mag-shoot dito? Before the Photographers Club, I wasn't really into photography. Mas gusto kong ako yung pinipicturan. After joining the photo club, my love for photography grew. And it made me realize how satisfying photography was. The activities we handled helped in inspiring me to create photos that will wow people. I am very proud that I was part of the first batch of officers to help this organization reach the finals for Outstanding Orgs of CEU. And now it's their 5th year to be nominated. They've been reaching higher and higher, and I think it's about time they reach their goal. Without the Photographers Club, there wouldn't be a Jedray Calara wedding photographer.